We're here today to demonstrate how to install your ELLIOT Wi-Fi retrofit kit. Right here we have your ELLIOT Wi-Fi gateway, your Wi-Fi antenna, your Ethernet cable, 3 wire nuts, your power cable, and a USB thumb drive. We will now walk you through the steps to install the ELLIOT gateway. Please ensure all power has been removed to the system prior to continuing with the installation process. Located in your chiller electrical panel is a 5-port Ethernet switch. We will be removing this switch and connecting its existing power wires to your new ELLIOT gateway. Remove the wires from the top of the switch and remove any existing Ethernet cables. Remove Ethernet switch from the electrical panel. Install the ELLIOT gateway in place of the removed Ethernet switch. Connect the included power cable to the top of your ELLIOT gateway. Using the provided wire nut, connect the blue wire to the red on the included power cable. Next, connect the blue and white wire to the black wire on the included power cable. Take the remaining green ground wire and secure it with the third wire nut. Take the Ethernet cable that is connected to the touchscreen and connect it into the ETH2 port on the ELLIOT gateway. At this point, you have successfully installed your gateway and can now proceed to connecting the gateway in your network.